The first book of Psalms, chapter 121, verses 1 to 8. The first book of Psalms, chapter 122, verses 1 to 9. The first book of Psalms, chapter 123, verses 1 to 4. The first book of Psalms, chapter 124, verses 1 to 8. And the first book of Psalms, chapter 125, verses 1 to 5. A song of ascents. 1. I will lift up my eyes to the hills. Where does my help come from? 2. My help comes from the Lord, who made heaven and earth. 3. He will not allow your foot to be moved. He who keeps you will not slumber. For behold, he who keeps Israel will neither slumber nor sleep. 5. The Lord is your keeper. The Lord is your shade on your right hand. 6. The sun will not harm you by day, nor the moon by night. 7. The Lord will keep you from all evil. He will keep your soul. 8. The Lord will keep your going out and your coming in from this time forward and forevermore. The first book of Psalms, chapter 122, verses 1 to 9, a song of ascents, by David. 1. I was glad when they said to me, let's go to the Lord's house. 2. Our feet are standing within your gates, Jerusalem. 3. Jerusalem is built as a city that is compact together. For where the tribes go up, even the Lord's tribes, according to an ordinance for Israel, to give thanks to the Lord's name. 5. For there are set thrones for judgment, the thrones of David's house. 6. Pray for the peace of Jerusalem. Those who love you will prosper. 7. Peace be within your walls, and prosperity within your palaces. 8. For my brothers and companions' sakes, I will now say, peace be within you. 9. For the sake of the house of the Lord our God, I will seek your good. The first book of Psalms, chapter 123, verses 1-2, for a song of ascents. 1. I lift up my eyes to you, you who sit in the heavens. 2. Behold, as the eyes of servants look to the hand of their master, as the eyes of a maid to the hand of her mistress, so our eyes look to the Lord our God until he has mercy on us. 3. Have mercy on us, Lord, have mercy on us, for we have endured much contempt, for our soul is exceedingly filled with the scoffing of those who are at ease with the contempt of the proud. The first book of Psalms, chapter 124, verses 1 to 8, a song of ascents, by David. 1. If it had not been the Lord who was on our side. Let Israel now say. 2. If it had not been the Lord who was on our side, when men rose up against us. 3. Then they would have swallowed us up alive, when their wrath was kindled against us. For then the waters would have overwhelmed us, the stream would have gone over our soul. 5. Then the proud waters would have gone over our soul. 6. Blessed be the Lord, who has not given us as a prey to their teeth. 7. Our soul has escaped like a bird out of the fowler's snare. The snare is broken, and we have escaped. 8. Our help is in the Lord's name, who made heaven and earth. The first book of Psalms, chapter 125, verses 1 to 5. A song of ascents. 1. Those who trust in the Lord are as Mount Zion, which can't be moved, but remains forever. 2. As the mountains surround Jerusalem, so the Lord surrounds his people from this time forward and forevermore. 3. For the scepter of wickedness won't remain over the allotment of the righteous, so that the righteous won't use their hands to do evil. For do good, Lord, to those who are good, to those who are upright in their hearts. 5. But as for those who turn away to their crooked ways, the Lord will lead them away with the workers of iniquity. Peace be on Israel. The first book of Psalms, chapter 121, verses 1 to 8. The first book of Psalms, chapter 122, verses 1 to 9. The first book of Psalms, chapter 123, verses 1 to 4. The first book of Psalms, chapter 124, verses 1 to 8. And the first book of Psalms, chapter 125, verses 1 to 5. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up-and-coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.